Tired of manually copying and pasting important WhatsApp messages? Let's instantly automate that data transfer directly into your Excel spreadsheet using Zapier. First things first, head over to Zapier.com and create an account or log in if you already have one. This is our automation powerhouse once logged in. Click the Create Zap button to begin building your automated workflow. For our trigger, we want to select WhatsApp. Search for WhatsApp in the available apps. Since Zapier's direct WhatsApp integration is for business accounts at the moment, we'll use a common workaround. We'll select New Message in WhatsApp Business as our trigger event. If you have a WhatsApp business account, this is straightforward. Next, we'll connect your WhatsApp business account to Zapier. Follow the on-screen prompts to allow Zapier access. This usually involves scanning a QR code. Once connected, Zapier will prompt you to test the connection, letting us know it's ready. Now for the action part, sending data to Excel. In the Choose App and Event step, search for Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Depending on your preference for this tutorial, we'll use Google Sheets, as it's a very common and seamless integration. Select Create Spreadsheet Row as your action event. Connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier, granting it the necessary permissions. Then, select the specific Google Sheet and worksheet where you want your WhatsApp messages to be logged. Make sure you have columns in your spreadsheet ready to receive the data, like sender, message, and timestamp. This is where the magic happens. Mapping your data. Zapier will show you fields from your WhatsApp message trigger and fields from your Google Sheets row. You'll drag and drop to match them. For example, link the sender name from WhatsApp to your sender column in Excel, and the message body to your message column. You can even pull in a timestamp if your WhatsApp trigger provides it. Finally, it's time to test your Zap. Zapier will send a sample WhatsApp message through your workflow to see if it correctly creates a new row in your Google Sheet. Once the test is successful, you can turn your Zap on and voila a tilde. Every new message that meets your trigger criteria will automatically appear in your spreadsheet, ready for analysis. No more missing important details.